Hello everybody! Today we will make together a cute decoration with a 3D printed heart as the base that we will fill with beautiful quilling shapes. So let's get started. This is the 3D printed heart and we will build inside it in the spaces that we see on the right side, but also we will make some shapes on the other part. I will be using 2mm paper strips. This heart model was designed by someone on Thingiverse and I left the link to this model in the description. I previously made a whole bunch of circle loopings from black and bright colored paper. I decided to use 3 colors only, the previously mentioned black, a salmon and bright green color. The black will be a very nice contrast between all these. I also made some teeny tiny bent circle loopings in a teardrop shape and some swirls as well. Now we will start filling the spaces with the shapes that fit. Use your imagination and try to arrange the colors symmetrically and evenly, but except that, do it however you feel like it. All we want here is to have a bright and colorful decoration, so the possibilities are endless. I didn't have a plan as to how it will turn out. I just went with the flow and included the shapes that fit well in the spaces I had to work with. Granted, you could go and measure every space and fit the shapes you are making to it, but that would take way too long and I view this as an exercise in imagination more than an exact science. Another shape used here is the well-known eccentric teardrop. I made some of these too, and I will arrange them in the remaining spaces, first of all like a flower with its stem. The rest will be put on the edges on the inside. I had to really glue things properly here, as the contact surface between the thin strips is not too much, and I had to wait for the glue to dry properly before letting go of the shapes. Of course, this took quite some time, as you would expect. Suffice it to say that I was lucky that I was watching one of my favorite shows on TV while waiting. And that's it. Hope you like it and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. This project could be done as well without the 3D printed shape, as long as you have in mind the overall design you want to make. One idea of making it is to draw the sketch on the paper you want to work and follow the lines. Because of course not everybody has a 3D printer at home. Another idea is to glue the pieces one to each other using a design of your choice, but without gluing them on a base. This way you can have the ability to put your item on the wall or hanging it on your doorknob. The latter version is better done with 5mm paper strips because it is stronger and your shapes won't fall apart easily. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.